But guys, I know I have hidden Maya Sierra's age and told her the wrong age. Actually, Maya Sierra is actually 13. She's actually a teenager and she is way younger than Ciara in this AU. So, viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, sometimes I'd be lying about my AU's ages. My friends' ages. But anyways, back to the video. Bro, Bandu, do the next one. Come on, hit the shot, Bandu. Man, you're trash. You ain't gonna win this. Let me get the fucking controller, man. No, it's my PS5. Acting fucking childish as usual. But you know what? I'm just gonna ask. Guys. This loser. Man, what the fuck do you want? Wait, who is she? Bambi, you know her. Stop lying. Stop capping. You know her, Bambi. You know who she is. I'm trying to roast her and you are ruining it. I bet you're emo as fuck. Bambi! Stop roasting her! And that's why your eyes are big. And that's why you're bald. Damn, Bambi! She got you way back. Well, that's why you're autistic. You take that back. No, that's why you're autistic. Can I please play, though? No, you can't play. I bet you're gonna be so fucking autistic that it's gonna use your brain so much, it's gonna turn it around so much that you won't even be able to know shit. You'll be so dumb that you won't even know how to play the game if I even tell you. So get your dumb emo ass out of Bandu's realm and go to your orphanage. Cause you look adopted. You don't even look near alike. You and Ciara don't even look near alike. I mean, Ciara's skin is only darker than yours. Go somewhere. Go to your orphanage or something. Bambi, why would you say that to her? Bandu, stop trying to cover for her. And you know what I said was true. I'm speaking facts. I'm not roasting anybody. I'm not just roasting her. I'm speaking facts. Look at her. She's running away like a little fucking baby. While you're running over there, how about you go to your orphanage? While you're running away, how about you run to your orphanage somewhere? Bambi! Stop roasting her! And you know she's not adopted. Just because her skin is lighter than Ciara's, that doesn't mean that she's adopted. She looks adopted. And even if I check Ciara and my Ciara, if I look at both of them, they will not look near alike. They won't. Then look at the pictures. See? Skin doesn't matter at all. Nor size. Look. They both even have the same color eyes. Some people even have the same color eyes, and they're not even their long lost family. Look at Maya Ciara and look at Ciara. They have the same color eyes. And plus, they both dyed their hair. So Maya Ciara's color hair is actually brown, but she dyed her hair red. And Ciara's hair used to be f***ing brown as well, even though her powers turned it pink for some reason. So both of their hair are the same as well. Both of their hair was the same until they became older. Cause when Ciara grown up, ever since she was 20, her hair turned pink because of her powers. And Myra's Ciara, ever since she was 11, she dyed her hair red. So basically, there's no fucking difference. But their skin, that doesn't fucking mean that she's adopted. Because if she was, she would have been homeschooled. And she's sitting up still in high school. She's literally about to move to fucking high school in a month. And you're making fun of her. I didn't know she was moving that fucking fast. Man, I bet she didn't even pass 8th grade. What a loser. She's one step close to fucking high school. She just has one more grade left. You're sitting up and making fun of her. She's literally about to go into high school in just a few more months. I mean, she's literally a few steps away from coming a senior. And you're literally making fun of her. She's maybe still in middle school, but that doesn't mean you roast her in school. She's in middle school and she is very sensitive. She's sensitive. So, she's actually sensitive. So if somebody roasted her, she said if somebody ever roasted her, she wouldn't take it no more. So, to be short, long story short, she'll maybe end up hurting herself because of you. So, if she ends up hurting herself and if Ciara ends up hating you, don't say nothing. Because karma, your actions will always come back to you, Bambi. No matter how old you is. Your actions will come back to you. And nothing's gonna happen to me. I won't much even be in it because I'm doing the right thing. Man, fuck you, Bandu. And that action's gonna come back to you as well. Just see, it's maybe not coming back now, but it's sure coming back later. Man, fuck him. I wish I never had a cousin. You know what? I'm not even gonna fucking complain. I'm just gonna tell X-Sponge what's happening. Brother, what the fuck you want? Bambi, just insulted me and Myers here. Well, oh. Well, don't worry about him, brother. You see, the long story short, his actions will come back to him like a boomerang. Just know that. Okay.